enjoy selling. This one is massive. I see so many salespeople flushing commission down the toilet because they turn up to their day of selling and they don't want to be there. They see selling as a means to an end. They see selling as something that's disingenuous or it's inauthentic. Now, it can be if you're selling in an inauthentic way, and we'll get into the process later on in this conversation. But selling as a profession is not good or bad. What you do with it and how you think about it and how you feel about it and how you approach selling as a profession is going to determine the experience that you have as a selling professional. So if you want to make more money, if you want to close more deals, actually start looking at selling as something that you enjoy. Now, you might be saying, how do I do that? Well, if you really do some self-reflection and you inquire within yourself, what would be the best life you can live? Probably after the fast car and the watch and all of the superficial materialistic things, probably what you want is to have an impact. Am I right? After all the superficial things, you want to have meaning in your life. You want to have purpose. You want your life to have meant something. You want to know that when you leave this planet and go wherever you believe you go, you've left a dent. You've left a mark. You are living on eternally. You have the sorcerer's stone that allows you to live on through the lives of the people that you've helped. Selling is, aside from business, selling and business are the two best professions to have an impact. And so you need to get yourself into a place where you see selling as something that you can enjoy because of what you're doing, contributing to the world. The other way, and this is something I teach inside my Unicorn Closer Mastermind alongside my mentor who instilled this into me, is if you view selling as a professional athlete views their sport, you view the sport, or in this case, the profession of selling, as a vehicle for you to become the best version of yourself. And when you see selling like that, it is enjoyable. Even the bad days are enjoyable. The challenges are enjoyable. The difficulties are enjoyable. The prospect that hangs up and frustrates you and you think, oh, I'm going to work on my frustration to be less reactive. All of those things become something that you enjoy because they now have a higher meaning, which is becoming the best version of yourself and having an impact in the world. So don't be like most salespeople and lose deals, not because you said the wrong thing or you had the wrong tonality or you had the wrong sales process, just losing deals because the prospect can feel and you're projecting into your reality, you don't want to be there. You're actually turning up to the call, and before the call begins, you're thinking, oh, selling, that job that I have, that career that I have to do because I need to make more money. If that's how you view selling, always just this lesser evil than just sitting on the couch and being a couch potato, you're never, ever, ever going to go very far. So always decide, if you want to make as much money as possible, have an impact, become the best version of yourself, you have to go all in on enjoying the profession of selling. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.